Hi friends, welcome to Best for Government Jobs channel. Today we are going to discuss questions and answers with explanation of daily current affairs quiz for 9th and 10th May 2020. Let's start questions. First question, how many artist hotspots are there in the world? Options 7, 8, 9, 10. Please pause the video and post your answers in the comments. Correct answer is 8. Recently we have seen in the news that some scientists of Department of Science and Technology have come up with planned data of the northern western Ghats. Here we have to read about the backgrounds of northern western Ghats and also western Ghats, that is Sahyadri, and also about how many hotspots are there in the world. So here answer is 8 hotspots are there in the world. In that, Western Ghats are one of them. You have to read about the remaining 7 hotspots also. Please go through about it. Moving to the next question. African swine fever has recently been reported in which among the following states of India? Options Kerala, Assam, Delhi, Manipur. Correct answer is Assam. This question is from current affairs. Recently, we have seen in the news that over 2,900 pigs have died in Assam due to African swine fever. Actually, which does not affect humans but can be catastrophic, that is, disaster for pigs. In this pandemic situation of coronavirus pandemic, another disease outbreak is affecting thousands of animals in Assam. So here we have to know about the African swine fever's background. So this is the first time that an African swine fever outbreak has been reported in India. So please remember this question, this is very important. So moving to the next question. The Young Career Award in Nanoscience and Technology has recently been received by the professor of which among the following? Options IIT Madras, IIT Kharagpur, IIT Delhi, IIT Bombay. Correct answer is IIT Bombay. So recently we have seen in the news that Professor Saurabh Lodha from Indian Institute of Technology Bombay has received the Young Career Award in Nanoscience and Technology. Here we have to remember this name Saurabh Lodha, and also he is from IIT Bombay. Also we have to know about the Young Career Awards background, that is who is giving this award. We have to focus on that background, and also we have to check the background of nanotechnology. So please go through about the backgrounds. Moving to the next question. Project Tiger was launched in which year? Options 1965, 1973, 1980, 1991. Correct answer is 1973. Tiger is very important for us because tiger is the national animal for India. We often see the news about these tigers, that is population of tigers, census of tigers, like that. So here recently the estimation of tiger numbers in the Indian Sundarbans indicates an increase in the population of tigers. So in this perspective, we have to know the background of Sundarban mangrove forest, and also we have to know the Project Tiger. So it was launched in 1st April 1973. So please go through about all these backgrounds, very important. Next question. Shakatkar Committee is related to which among the following? Options Finance, Judiciary, Pollution, Defense. Correct answer is Defense. Recently, the Defense Minister has approved the abolition of 9,304 posts in the Military Engineering Service. It is in line with the recommendation of the Committee of Experts, that is headed by Lieutenant General Shakatkar. So, we have to know about this Shakatkar Committee. That is the 11-member committee appointed by the late Defense Minister Manohar Parrikar in 2016. So please remember this. Moving to the next question. Prime Minister's Research Fellows Scheme was launched in which year? Options 2020, 2019, 2018, 2017. Correct answer is 2018. Recently, Union Human Resource Development Ministry announced various amendments in the Prime Minister's Research Fellowship Scheme to boost the research in the country. So in this perspective, we have to know the background of this Prime Minister's Research Fellow Scheme. So actually, it was announced in the budget 2018 to 19. So please read about this scheme's background. So next question. World Water Day is celebrated annually on which date? Options: March 22nd, April 22nd, May 22nd, June 22nd. Correct answer is March 22nd. As I already told you that date type of questions are frequently asked in the competitive examinations. Recently, we have seen in the news that World Water Day was observed with its broader aim to raise awareness on the importance of fresh water and advocate for its sustainable management. As we know, in this present COVID-19 pandemic situation, water is a very important natural resource. So in this perspective, we have to remember the World Water Day and also the theme water and climate change. So moving to the next question. Luhman 16 recently seen in the news is a options: satellite, binary star system, naval ship, cyber malware. Correct answer is binary star system. Recently, we have seen in the news that a group of international astrophysicists have identified cloud bands on the surface of Lohman 16A, one of a pair of binary brown dwarfs in the Vela constellation. So here we have to know the background of what is brown dwarf and also what is Lohman 16. It is a binary star system and also the third closest system to the Sun after Alpha Centauri and Barnard's star. So please remember all these things. All the questions are very important. Please revise them. All the best. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.